Hello, today we are at 8755 Hampden Drive, which is located in the Found Ridge Citrus Park area of Tampa, Hillsborough County, Florida. It's nearby West Chase and just west of the Veterans Expressway. Also, it's nearby the Citrus Park Town Center, the shops at Citrus Park, Tampa International Airport, parks, restaurants, schools, and more. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, two-car garage, and backyard screen patio. Let's take a look. If you want to take a look at this beautiful property, you can contact us at 813-875-7474. We are happy to assist you.